The EA-37B Compass Call is the Air Force's latest electronic warfare aircraft. It's based on the Gulfstream G550 business jet airframe. The first one was delivered to Davis-Monthan Air Force Base on August 23, 2024. Its primary mission is to disrupt enemy communications. It also jams enemy radars and navigation systems. This significantly hinders the enemy's ability to coordinate. The EA-37B is crucial for counter-C5ISRT missions, targeting command, control, computers, communications, cyber, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Think of it as a digital disruption expert in the sky. It can jam radars, electronic systems, and communications, offering crucial advantages in battle. This allows it to participate in suppression of enemy air defenses or SEAD missions. The distinctive antenna arrays are mounted on the fuselage sides. These arrays are based on those found on the G550C AEW aircraft. L3 Harris and BAE systems are responsible for the electronic warfare modifications. The aircraft has gone through multiple baseline iterations. Baseline 4 is currently the most advanced. It incorporates BAE Systems' small adaptive bank of electronic resources, SABRE, technology. The plane is equipped with network-centric collaborative targeting systems. It also features sophisticated radio frequency receivers. Software-defined radios are also crucial components. The U.S. Air Force awarded L3 Harris the contract in 2017. The goal was to replace the aging EC-130H Compass Call. Approximately 70% of the EC-130HS mission equipment was transferred to the new platform. The first mission training sortie occurred on May 2, 2025. The EA-37B is transforming electronic warfare, making it a formidable asset for the U.S. Air Force.